Now let's talk about what is scientific management. Scientific management was developed by Frederick Taylor in the early 20th century. It is a theory of management that analyzes and synthesizes workflows to improve economic efficiency, particularly labor productivity. His approach emphasized the following principles. First is the scientific study of tasks, breaking down tasks into simplest components and studying them scientifically to find the most efficient to perform each one. Second is the selection and training of workers, scientifically selecting, training, and developing workers rather than passively allowing them to choose their own tasks and train themselves. Third is the cooperation between management and workers, ensuring that the methods developed through scientific study are followed by workers through close cooperation between managers and workers. And fourth is the division of work, clear division of work and responsibilities between management and workers. Management takes on the planning and preparation work while workers perform the tasks. Thank you and happy learning.